Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and you know what this means, right? It's time to do a pour. So I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's just a shaped heart here. I also am going to do some other little shapes. They have some great little wood cutouts that you could do as well. This is a mermaid. I can't wait to do the turtle. And then a dolphin. I've had that come out so pretty before. And then, if you remember, there were these egg cartons that some eggs came in from a previous DIY, and I wanted to do a 6-part turn pour. So I thought this would be perfect. We have 6 different parts. I myself am just going to take the easy route, and I am using the Arteza 32 bottle pouring acrylic. It's already and good to go. It's got all of these colors on there. I will put the link right down below. And since you're right down there, you might as well hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And the colors I chose are going to be my basic black and white, some rose pink, a lavender, and then a brilliant red. I just think these will all come together really nicely. I've done these before with some yellow and orange and made like flames. Oh, it was beautiful. So what you could do, you could prime your heart right now if you'd like to. And let's just prime it with some white. So I'm just going to put some white on here. And you can always make your own if you wanted to. But I'm just going to really quickly take a little brush here and brush it on just to prime it. Get that flowing. And I don't really want it to go off of the edge because I want to keep that paint on there. But I do want the paint to go to the edge. So you can do this with your canvas. You could do this with whatever you'd like. And you are going to get messy. So I like to have some, let's get all that off of there. I like to have just some little baby wipes nearby. So let's go ahead and get these started. So I'm going to pull this over. And we are going to start with, let's start with the red. And I'm going to put some of this in each cup. And I'm just squirting it all in there. And there's going to be extra paint, and that is fine. You can use it. You can save it. You can put like some, what's it called, parchment paper underneath and make some great jewelry. So we're just going to put all this in here. Ooh. We'll go with some pink. Yeah, this will definitely be more than enough paint there. And then I already have some white, but I think I'm going to do a little bit of white on here just for fun. Not a whole lot. There we go. And then I'm going to put just a little bit of black as well. And how fun does that look? All right, so we're going to do this in a flip style. So I'm going to just take this. Now again, remember, we're going to get dirty. So we're just going to take this, and I am going to just flip it over like that. I'm going to get this out of the way and let that all come down there. And then, well, I'm going to move this completely out of the way so you could see. Now, so I don't get completely dirty, I'm going to just move this around. You can see not a lot of that black has gotten in there. We're going to push this all the way down until it reaches over the edge. And look at how pretty this has come out. Now, you can pick this up and just go around the edges so that the edges get all the ink as well. Or not the ink, the paint. And also clean up any additional that may have fallen over the sides. And remember, I said have a baby wipe nearby, because look, your fingers will turn beautiful. And you can see some of that color trying to pop its way out. And so what I'm going to do is get my little heat tool here, and we're going to run that over and see if anything else will pop out with that heat. So how pretty is this? And then if you wanted to, you could take some paint, a straw, and blow on it. Make some beautiful little areas of splatter out. But I think this is really pretty. We're going to go ahead and wait just a little bit so you could see it. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day.